Good afternoon. My name is Marvin S. Douglas Jr., and I'm the CEO and founder of the One Business Corporation, featuring the Trillionaires Club, using the 12 Tribes Secret equals U equals success system. What I want to talk to you today about is we've produced a webinar that we would like you to observe. Our webinar is how to buy an estate home with no money down, no job, no cash, no bank financing, from private money lenders or owner financiers. Now, I know you're wondering, well, why do we want to do that? Because I want you to understand something. If you buy a house for $350,000 at 7.5% interest, and the bank finances it for you, they're going to shop your loan out, and they're going to sell your loan to a foreign country that needs to buy dollars to buy oil, which means they have to buy mortgages to support the dollar in case it crashes for security. Which means, let's just say, for instance, they bought your loan, your $350,000 loan at 7.5% interest, which over 30 years would equal just around $1.5 million. So they take and sell your loan for 50% on the dollar, they get $750,000. The Chinese save $750,000, and they hedge their bet in case the dollar falls. But the bank pays the seller $350,000, and they keep the other $400,000 from your note, and then leave you to pay $1.5 million with the note plus interest over a 30-year period of time. We're going to teach you how to flip that script and reverse that so that most of that money stays with you. I think that's very fair. And I think because of that, you're going to want to join the Trillionaires Club. You're going to want to become one of our clients, and we're going to teach you how to take that extra money, make a business, and help other people finance their houses and make the money that the bank would have made had they not ran across us. And I think that's also fair. So if that interests you, call us at 1-877-JESUS-911. Again, that's 1-877-JESUS-911. If you'd like to work with us, go to the Facebook, the Trillionaires Club page, and you'll see some positions advertised. Fill out an application. Let's have an interview. Let's discuss it. But all of our people who we contract on W-9 or WABN must become a client, must become a member of the club. And I will tell you, our fees are quite high, but we have a sweat equity program where you learn to earn, and you earn as you learn. So that way you can afford our fees. So that way no money's coming out of your pocket, except for our contracted training, which we subcontract out to help train you faster, quicker, and better, because money loves speed and time is money. So we're not going to take a lot of time to not consult with a client and still build a team of consultants to help us exponentially grow when we can have that contracted out, and you can get your training, come back and help us exponentially grow, and we can help you exponentially grow your income. So now with that said, you're like, whoa, hold on, slow down. Okay, so I'm going to slow down just a moment. $350,000, 7.5% interest, $1.5 million. The bank sells your loan for 50% on the dollar. They get $750,000, pay the seller $350,000, keep $400,000, and keep you stuck for $1.5 million over 30 years. How fair is that? Now, is that slow enough for you? If not, replay it. Get on the webinar. Learn what we know. Join our team. Let us pay you up to $71,000 to share our story, spread our message. But let me explain something to you. No, we don't want you to sell anything. Everything that we have is automated, and the only thing that we have that's not automated would be you. Period. All we do, consult, teach, mentor, coach people and businesses, political candidates, how to win and be successful. Those aren't our candidates behind us. Those are candidates that the governor-elect of Illinois supported, that we also supported, but they weren't our clients. The governor-elect was our client. We worked on his campaign. He was successful. He won. We gave them information to their campaign to help them exponentially grow their client base to get more votes. So those things interest you, 1-877 Jesus 911. When you hear the pastor say, call Jesus on the main line, he might not be talking about us, but that will make you remember we're 1-877 Jesus 911. And we're going to help you exponentially grow. Your future is going to be very bright. The Trillionaires Club on Facebook. If you don't trust and believe in what I'm saying, no problem. Look us up. Google the One in Business Corporation. Google One in Business. Google Marvin S. Douglas Jr. You'll find out that we're morally and ethically correct. And unfortunately for some, we are too moral. But when they get out of prison, they'll be okay too.